Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called polynomials. The given question is classify the following as linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial, and the given polynomial is x minus x to the power 3. So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. Question has given us here this polynomial x minus x to the power 3. Question has given us this polynomial x minus x to the power 3, and question is asking us to classify this polynomial, to classify or to find out if this polynomial is linear or quadratic or cubic. So we need to identify the given polynomial is a linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial. Now guys, in order to identify a polynomial, let us look into the definition of these three polynomials. So first is linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called as a linear polynomial. It is very simple, as simple as like this. A polynomial of degree 1 is called as a linear polynomial. So if you look into the examples, 4x plus 5, here the degree is 1. The highest value of the highest power of x is 1. T plus root 2, here the degree of t, which is the variable here, is also 1. Y minus 4, here also the degree of this y is a variable, the degree of this y is 1. So a polynomial of degree 1 is called as a linear polynomial. Now let us look into the definition of quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called as a quadratic polynomial. Now let us look into the examples. 4x to the power 2 plus 5. So here the variable of x is 2. Here the power of x is 2. So this is a degree 2. Y to the power 2 minus 4. Here the power of y is 2. The variable is y, so its power is 2. T square plus t plus root 2. So the degree of the highest degree of the variable t is 2. So this is called as the degree 2. That means a polynomial of degree 2 is called as a quadratic polynomial. Now coming to cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called as a cubic polynomial. That means the variable having a degree 3 is called as a cubic polynomial. If you look here to this definition, to this example, 4x to the power 3, you could see the power of the variable is 3. Similarly, 5x to the power 3 plus 4x to the power 2, you could see that the highest power of the variable is 3. So this is also of degree 3. Similarly, 6y cube minus y, the highest power of the variable is 3. Y to the power 3 minus 4, the highest power of the variable is 3. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward in finding out the degree of a polynomial. It is very easy. A polynomial of degree 3 is called as a cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called as a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called as a linear polynomial. So after understanding the definition of the polynomial, let us classify or identify what is the degree of this given polynomial, x minus x to the power 3. So here the highest power is 3. Therefore the given polynomial is a cubic polynomial, Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.